Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Bio Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about basic refractory. Basic refractory is refractory material contains magnesium oxide and calcium oxide. Basic refractory has high refractoriness and strong alkaline slag resistance. The major basic refractory is the refractory with the content of magnesia, dolomite and limestone. The most commonly used basic refractory brick is magnesite brick with the strong resistance to alkaline slag and iron slag. The basic refractory is applied in converter lining and hearth furnace bottom. What is basic refractory materials? Basic refractory means refractory made of magnesium oxide and calcium oxide including magnesite brick, magnesia alumina brick, magnesia chrome brick, dolomite brick, etc. This kind of basic refractory material has the characteristic of high refractoriness and strong alkaline slag resistance and is widely used for open hearth, oxygen converter, electric furnace, non-furnace metal smelting equipment and other heating equipment. Roughly the raw materials of basic refractory are dolomite, magnesite, olivine and sprentine. Whose useful components are MgO, CaO, MgCO3, SiO2 and so on. Roughly the raw materials of basic refractory are dolomite, magnesite, olivine and sprentine, whose useful components are MgO, CaO, MgCO3 and SiO2 and so on. Specifically, the raw materials of basic refractory are magnesia, magnesia spinel, magnesia calcium sand, magnesia chrome sand and magnesia zirconium sand. Basic refractory properties: high refractoriness above 2000 degrees Celsius, good resistance to alkaline slag, good hydration resistance, good vacuum resistance, strong resistance to basic flux, purifying molten steel function, high thermal expansion rate, high thermal conductivity, large heat capacity, poor thermal shock resistance. Basic refractory uses. Basic refractory is used in the following equipment: oxygen converter furnace lining, electric furnace lining permanent layer, glass kiln heat storage room, non-ferrous metal smelting equipment, heating equipment, rotary cement kiln, glass kiln heat storage room, mixed iron furnace. Type of basic refractory: according to the content, magnesium basic refractory, MgO is greater than 80%, made of Periclase include magnesite brick, magnesia silicon brick and magnesia calcium brick. Limestone basic refractory contains CaO greater than 95%, calcium stone include lime brick, magnesium spinel basic refractory, MgO, Al2O3, Cr2O3, Fe2O3 includes magnesia alumina brick, magnesia chrome brick and chrome magnesia brick. Four-state basic refractory 2-MgO SiO2 includes Forestrate brick. Dolomite basic refractory includes dolomite brick, magnesia dolomite brick, and stabilized dolomite brick. Tar combined basic refractory, bituminous basic refractory. According to the shape, basic refractory bricks, basic amorphous refractory, basic refractory bricks. The basic refractory bricks refers to magnesite bricks, magnesia alumina carbon brick, alumina magnesite carbon brick, magnesia carbon brick, magnesia chrome brick, and magnesite spinel brick. Basic refractory magnesia bricks are the most commonly used basic refractory bricks with more than magnesium oxide. This kind of basic refractory bricks have good resistance to alkaline slag and iron slag and higher refractoriness around 1750 degrees Celsius than fire clay bricks and silica bricks. Magnesia bricks mainly used for steel making, alkaline hearth furnace, electric furnace wall and bottom, heating furnace wall and bottom, permanent lining of oxygen converter, non-ferrous matting smelting furnace, high temperature tunnel kiln, calcined magnesia brick kiln, cement rotary kiln, lining, glass kiln storage room, and so on. Basic refractory magnesite alumina spine bricks are used in ladle with the excellent properties of magnesia products such as slag resistance, anti-stripping ability, and creep resistance. Magnesite alumina spinel MgO-Al2O3 bricks 28.3% MgO content and 71.7% Al2O3 content have high melting point, low thermal expansion, low thermal stress, good thermal stability, and good wear resistance. At the same time, magnesite alumina spinel bricks should also have a stable chemical property and strong resistance to alkaline slag. These are the core of the use of aluminium and magnesium unburnt bricks and are the key point to improve the lifespan of the basic refractory bricks. Due to the gradual development of synthetic magnesia alumina spine technology in recent years, it is possible to produce ladle brick directly by using good spinel materials, which can improve their characteristic remarkably. The basic refractory lining refers to the refractory layer built in the metal cell of the converter. The main function of converter basic refractory lining is to provide durable container for high temperature metrological melt to complete steel making reactions. The basic refractory materials of basic refractory lining are required to withstand high temperature and extreme temperature fluctuations, having chemical corrosion resistance of slag, mechanical impact and abrasion of molten steel. Basic oxygen furnace refractory lining. The oxygen top blown converter basic oxygen furnace is blown by industrial pure oxygen furnace. The lining of the furnace is mostly alkaline, like a straight bucket. The oxygen is injected into the surface of metal liquid by the water-cooled nozzle at the top of the furnace at a high speed of Mach 32 per hour. Because of high furnace temperature, waste steel or ore can be smelted. The advantages of using the basic oxygen furnace refractory are as follows. High quality of steel products, low content of phosphorus, sulfur and nitrogen. Suitable for various products like carbon steel and alloy steel. High efficiency of production. Applicable to the blowing of different components of iron liquid. Monolithic refractory will describe in detail in next video. So friends, if you like this video, then like and share. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos.